One of the fundamental principles in Oriental medicine is the theory that nature and humankind correspond to one another. Since the time of the Yellow Emperor, around 2600 BCE, it has been pointed out that the vital energy of nature influences human beings and causes them to adapt to an ever-changing natural environment. Humankind is terrestrial, but our lives cannot be separated from the celestial. This wisdom is incorporated into the very fabric of Oriental medicine. Integral to this concept is the optimum time for the practice of the internal arts, such as Tai Chi and Qigong. The reasons for practicing internal arts are the improvement of one's mental, physical, and spiritual foundations and the development of true peace of mind. The practice will benefit the body by strengthening the internal organs, bones, muscles, and connective tissues. The practice will also benefit the development of spiritual growth and harmony. This is the nature of practicing the internal arts. Tai Chi and Qigong work on the principle of raising and moving yang qi in the body. One of the most fundamental substances of the body, yang qi is responsible for all metabolic function. Blood moves because of yang qi. The lungs fill with air because of yang qi. The development and growth of all tissues and organs are the manifestation of yin qi impelled by yang qi. It is most appropriate to practice arts that raise yang qi during times that yang qi manifests itself in nature and is most available. That is, during the daylight hours. Yang qi manifests itself most strongly between the hours of sunrise and high noon. After noon, the yang qi is less active and begins to diminish until the sun has set. Then, yin qi is the dominant force throughout the night until the following morning. The Taoist sages hold the view that all of the energies of nature are cleaner, purer, and more abundant during morning hours. The advice we get from the Taoists is to rise before dawn to perform our morning ablutions, as internal arts are never to be practiced when the body is dirty. Then, if the arts that are practiced are soft internal arts like Qigong or Tai Chi Chuan, one may assume the practice as soon as the sun breaks the horizon. If the practice is a hard form like Gong Fu, one should eat lightly before practice is begun. Meals that follow internal arts practice should be light, and the preference is to fruits and white rice. A big breakfast of bacon and eggs and pancakes will not settle well on a stomach full of fresh qi and blood. If one needs a larger meal in the morning, one should wait about an hour after practice to eat it. The same is true for beverages. One should drink pure water before and after internal arts practice, and wait a full hour after practice to imbibe in other types of beverage. Again, this routine is for optimal practice. Of course, one can practice after dark or in the afternoon on occasion, but the greatest benefits will be had practicing internal arts daily in the morning light when the full energies of the heavens and earth are at their strongest.